The Nissan Hyperforce concept is more than just a car, it's Nissan's vision of what a 2026 all-electric supercar could be. From the very first glance, the front end makes a bold statement. The katana-inspired LED headlights stretch sharply across the hood, resembling a warrior's blade cutting through the night. The iconic Nissan badge glows with a futuristic illumination, framed by an aggressive carbon fiber splitter and deep air intakes designed to channel air with surgical precision. Each line and vent feels engineered not only for aerodynamics but also to remind us of Nissan's racing heritage. Move slowly to the rear, and the design tells its own story. The classic GTR quad taillights have been reimagined into a futuristic LED ring design, instantly recognizable yet unmistakably modern. A massive aerodynamic wing towers over the rear deck, balanced by a sculpted diffuser that looks like it was pulled directly from a race car. Even standing still, the Hyperforce gives the impression of speed, as though it's just waiting for the signal to launch forward. Inside, the cabin transforms into something almost otherworldly. The driver is greeted by a yoke-style steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara for grip, paired with a wide, fully digital display that delivers telemetry, navigation, and performance data in real time. Carbon fiber racing seats hug the body with precision, accented by subtle red stitching that reflects Nissan's performance DNA. The ambient neon lighting pulses gently through the cabin, shifting tone as if syncing with the car's electric heartbeat. And importantly, the rear continues the same design theme, with matching sport seats, sleek minimalist panels, and light strips that create a sense of futuristic harmony throughout the interior. Under the skin lies Nissan's vision for performance in an electric age. Powered by next-generation solid-state batteries, the Hyperforce promises an astonishing 1,300 horsepower. Paired with Nissan's advanced E4 ORCE all-wheel drive system, this allows instantaneous torque distribution, razor-sharp cornering, and acceleration that feels more like a surge of energy than traditional horsepower. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision, balance, and redefining what a sports car can be in a zero-emission future. The Nissan Hyperforce is not only a concept of design, but a concept of possibility, the rebirth of the GTR spirit for a new generation.